To my mind, it seems a bit unwarranted because we were already trading 5.5 hours, which is much more than what Hang Seng does or London does. Wall Street trades 6.5 hours. So I don't know how much more volume we are going to get by extending this. And there is a feeling it might reduce the volatility. I don't really think so. I think Indian market is very volatile because of the intraday and derivative trading. So I don't think this is going to really help in any way. In India, the infrastructure, the transportation is very tough, especially in large cities like Mumbai and Delhi. And in a broking house, you have to come at least 45 minutes to an hour earlier before trading. So people have to get into work at 8, which is a bit painful considering the transportation, etc.
The market was expecting it for quite some time, and as the India is reaching into the international league and as the internationalization is happening, so this was anyway on cards to bring back some of the Singapore and Hong Kong volumes. So however, there will be some hiccups in the near term. So for 6 months or so, people in adjusting, it will be strenuous, and for the human resource management point of view, it will be challenging, and then there will be additional overhead expenses. So it will be challenging for some time, but as we have international aspirations, we have to be open-minded.
I would say in the sense that people are talking about that SGX Nifty. There are certain days when between 9 to 10 also there is a wide movement between SGX Nifty, and in case of any volatility on account of a resultant act on global markets, we see that there is a gap down or gap up opening. So probably to encash that additional 1 hour, this move. And one important point which has to be considered is, are our banks geared to handle? So our banking has to be very robust and in line with this. And I think by the time gradually you start living with it, and things will fall in place.